we will discuss about the today we will discuss about the what are the voids or holes or interstitial sites. So we'll discuss about these things. So what is a void and what is a void and or what is a hole or what is interstitial? That is some space is not occupied not occupied by the spheres not occupied by the spheres spheres these gaps are called voids. So these gaps are called voids or holes. These gaps are called voids or holes. In close packing of the spheres, two types of voids are present. In close close packing in close packing, that is a hexagonal close packing or cubic close packing, packing of spheres two types of voids are present. Two types of voids are present. What are the two types of voids? Those are, one is tetrahedral voids tetrahedral voids or another one is octahedral voids. So these are two types of voids. What is the close packing structures? Arrangement of spheres. If you see in close packed structures, if you see, we can discuss in next lecture that one. What is tetrahedral void? First we discuss. First is tetrahedral void. First is tetrahedral void. So what is the meaning of tetrahedral void? Void with four nearest spheres is called nearest spheres of neighbors is called tetrahedral void. So void with four nearest nearest four nearest spheres neighbors. So nearest neighbors are called or is called tetrahedral void. Tetra means four. Tetrahedral void. So if you see our methane structure is tetrahedral, here also atoms or spheres are present. Spheres, first four spheres. I can take the four spheres. So this is second sphere, and here there is a third sphere is present, and on the top of this sphere another sphere is present. This is the top sphere. So at bottom some void is present. That void we call it as some space is present between this four atoms or molecules or ions. This type of space we call it as void. So here it is void, and this is a tetrahedral void is present due to the formation of the four atoms or molecules or spheres. So here we are molecules or ions or spheres, so we call it as it is a tetrahedral void. So it is tetrahedral. Why not it is square planar? It is not square planar, it is a tetrahedral. 4 also it can form square planar, but that is different from this one. So this is a tetrahedral void. Next thing is the size of the tetrahedral void. If you see, this gap size will be the size of the tetrahedral void. The size of the tetrahedral void tetrahedral wide is 0.225 0.225 of the of size of surrounding spheres surrounding surrounding spheres. So here if you see surrounding spheres, if you see this wide size will be 0.225. So in this site there is accommodation of the ions or atoms or molecules with the size of 0.225 angstroms. So each sphere is associated with the two tetrahedral wides. So each each sphere is associated associated with associated with two tetrahedral wides tetrahedral two tetrahedral wides. So here if you can take the FCC example, FCC or CCP, cubic close packing, or hexagonal close packing structures, in that how many tetrahedral wires we will see. So if z number of atoms will present, then how many tetrahedral wires will come, we calculate here. So first you draw a cubical close packing or FCC structure, cubic structure, that is this is a cube, and with this cube there are atoms at present atoms are present at the corners of the cube. So here corners of the cube, this is FCC. So atoms present at the face, center of the phase. This is phase 1, this is phase 2, and this is phase 3, and this is phase 4. And if you see this is back face and this is front face. So this is front face. So how many atoms are there? Total atoms are 1 2 8 atoms plus 6 atoms. 8 plus 6 14 atoms were there, but the contribution, if you calculate the z value, so from the 8 corners the contribution will be 1 by 8 plus 6 faces, and contribution will be 1 by 2. So total z value will be this is 3, this is 8, that means this is the 3 plus 1, that is 4. Z value will be 4. So if you see there are 4 atoms you can take. So this 3 and one of the one here 3 atoms from the faces and 1 atom from the corners. If you take 3 atoms from faces and 1 atom from corner, if you take this one, then you will get some, how many corners are there? 8 corners are there. So how many, this is, we call it as tetrahedral wide, because it is a how many atoms or ions or molecules are there here is the 1 2 3 4. 4 means like this. Here if you see 1 2 3 again 4. So 4 means here one corner forming one tetrahedral wide with the surrounding face centers. So here how many total tetrahedral wides will be there? So total tetrahedral tetra tetrahedral wides will be so how many corners is equals to corners, that is equals to 8 is there. So here tetrahedral wides will be wides are 8. So tetrahedral wides are 8. So from this we can conclude that if z number of atoms will be there, z number of atoms are present present, then 2z 2z number of tetrahedral voids will found will found. So this is the relationship between the uh, z. If z number of atoms will be there, that means 2z number of tetrahedral voids will present. Another type of voids will be octahedral void. Octahedral voids. So octahedral voids. So what are these octahedral voids? If you see octahedral voids will be octa means, if you see atoms 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, this is 1 2 3 4 6 atoms only, but it is forming, see here, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. So how many faces are there? If you see here 1 2, so this triangle will be one face, and this triangle will be 2, and this triangle will be 3, and same triangle with back side, that is 4. So four faces from top, four faces from top, and four faces from bottom, four faces from bottom. So this will give you the octahedron. So octa means 8 hedrons. So 8 octahedrons means hedrals will form. So this will we call it as octahedron. So octahedron means how many atoms are present, or 6 atoms will form a octahedron. So 6 atoms, how can we write the definition? Void with 6 nearest neighbors, nearest 6 nearest sphere neighbors is called octahedral void, So the size of the octahedral void, if you see the size of the octahedral void is 0.415 of the surrounding of the size of surrounding sphere. So this is one kind of octahedral void, and another kind is, if I have 6 atoms, 3 atoms I am writing like this. This is 3 atoms. At the bottom they are present, and 2 atoms, 3 atoms on the top. So if you see, how can I write the 3 atoms at the bottom and 3 atoms at the top? So top, how can I represent? If you see, there is only one atom, here, and 2 atoms from this side. These are, you can take the bottom or top. So here I can form a this is triangle, and this is one triangle. So this is one triangle, and this is one triangle. Totally it will form octahedron. So it is a octahedron. So if you take the 3 bangles and 3 bangles, 6 bangles, you can make, this will give you the octahedral void. So this is octahedral void. So this is octahedral void. So each sphere uh, each sphere is associated with one octahedral wide. That means how many z value will be there, that much of octahedral wides will be present. So if you see how can we get this is for this is example for, if you see take the example for FCC, face centered cubic, or HCP, or CCP. CCP you can take. So draw again a cubic structure. So this is the cube, this is the cube, this is face centered cubic. You know that 8 atoms at the corners and 6 atoms at the faces. So how many atoms at the corners? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 atoms at the corners and 6 atoms at the faces. First face, second face, third face, fourth face. This is back side one face and front side another face. This is 6 1. So 6 faces. If you take 6 faces are present like this. So here 6 phases are there. So here if you it will form one octahedral wide at the center of the. So say at the center, if you take one octahedral wide, so these are 4 atoms. If you draw the 4 atoms here, 4 atoms, and one is from the top and another is from the bottom. So here one octahedral wide will be formed. One octahedral wides, one octahedral wide. But how many atoms are there here? If you take the number of atoms per unit cell, number of atoms per unit cell is equals to z value. Previously you note that how many atoms are there at the corners. Corner 8 atoms and 2 1 by 8 plus how many faces are there, 6 into 1 by 2. So this is 8 will get cancelled and this is 3. So it is 1 plus 3, that is equals to 4, and here it is z value will be 4. So how many octahedral wides will be there? Each sphere is associated with one octahedral wide. So how many spheres are here? 4 spheres are there. So how many octahedral wides we have to get? 4 octahedral wides we have to. Another 3 octahedral wides are come at here. If you take the another unit cell, and from this there are 4 atom are joining, and from the another octahedral wide is formed here. The octahedral wide is formed here. So here another octahedral wide at the edge. So edge center one octahedral wide is generated. So at the edges, how many edges are there? 12 edges, and one is sharing with the 12 edges. 12 into 1 by 4, that means 3 octahedral wides will be formed here. So total octahedral wides for HCP or CCP or FCC, total octahedral wides are 4. Total octahedral wides are 4. That is 1 from the center and 3 from the edges. So here is the 4 number. That means what is the z value that will come here. If you remember this table, you will get a clear idea how the spheres are attached. Each sphere is associated with the octahedral wide. Already we written. So this table, if you see each sphere, how the spheres will be there in the cubic unit cell, and cubic unit cell